Today, I'm going to talk about the comprehensive software package that I purchase to put my retirement plan into document form. It's on the cloud, don't have it handwritten. This is the 21st century. I use a software package called New Retirement. Okay. And I've got several videos where I demonstrated how that plan works. That's not what today's discussion is about. I'm going to talk about a feature in New Retirement that I've never talked about. I'm going to show you, and I've got to share my screen here in just a second, the classroom training and the live sessions that are available to help you on your retirement journey. This is outstanding. I don't know if anybody else doing this. So if you have some advanced questions, you attend the live sessions, ask whatever questions you want, all included, no price, no additional price for this. These are free sessions. They have 2 to 3 a week. They're going to 5 sessions a week. And then there's also some more commonly asked questions that they put together, these little programs for classes that you can click on at your leisure and be trained on how to build a plan, when to do Roth conversions, thinking about Social Security, all those decisions. They have a little 15-minute video on them. A few dozen videos out there to choose from at your leisure or attend one of the live sessions. So I'm going to show those to you. This is just amazing. I am super impressed with this this feature inside of New Retirement. So I'm going to share my screen. See if it's going here. So it should be sharing my screen. There you go. Hopefully you can see it. Okay, this is what I'm going to be talking from, this sheet over here. These are my notes. Pay no attention to what's behind the curtain here. Okay, so I've logged into New Retirement. This is a dummy account that New Retirement gave me to go through some scenarios with you. This is the Monte Carlo. This is just the home page. Pay no attention to the right side of this. This is your menu and how you navigate the entire system. So you enter your assets, your home, your debts, your income, expenses, all that kind of stuff. Helps you work through a plan. But I'm just so impressed with this. I love this. I've had this system over 3 years now, approaching 4 years. But I'm going to jump down to Classroom. You see how I made my cursor big for you? Jumping down to Classroom. We're going to click on that. It's loading. Okay. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Live Events. Go to Live Events, New Retirement Classroom, Live Events. Look at this, okay? They have office hours and new retirement question and answer. So you click on this. This is August 8th, 3 p.m. So this session is geared towards new users. Seek information about the software, drop in and learn how to use the planner, answer all your questions on financial wellness. They have a drop-down menu here. They got 2 classes set up, one for August 8th at 2 p.m. and August 22nd at 2 p.m. You just register, no cost. Okay, super cool. Love it, love it. So that's that class. Then let's look at Power Planner. This is digging deeper into the New Retirement tool. So you're starting to feel pretty confident about what you got. Attend one of these sessions. There are several sessions set up over the next few months, all included in your subscription to New Retirement. So we're going to get back out of that. Meeting registration. Okay, I hit the wrong button. That's what happens when you're live, right? I'm going back into Classroom. Sorry about that. Go to Live Events. Roth conversions Q&A. Okay, we're just going to touch on all these. Roth conversions. Here's the sessions they've got. Several sessions, 1 o'clock through the week. I think these are all Eastern time. Eastern time. So then a live course, the way to plan, New Retirement Planner to explore ways to make your better decisions. So there's, different courses there. Here's your teachers. I have spoken live with Nancy Gates. These people are passionate about training. Nancy's 30-year career as a teacher, teaching English. Her passion is teaching financial literacy to people. She's a great teacher. And then here's Jean. She has 9 years of financial coaching experience. And then Ray, I think I'm saying that name right, currently serves as a financial wellness coach. She's strong analytical skills, desire to do meaningful work and make a difference in people's lives. So these are your trainers. These are not certified financial planners, but people that know the software very well and can walk you through that, know the basics, just absolutely outstanding. I've only heard great things in the comments of my videos around people that have used this service and said it's just gold. It's just gold. So we're going to go back to home here under this is under classroom, but then that's the live sessions. Go to live events. We just did that. Then they got some classroom. This is, let's just pick one of these. There are, what are there, 7 of these? And let's type in, let's look at retirement readiness. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 courses that you can take, and they're about 20 minutes a piece. 12 courses you can take: portfolio and asset allocation strategies, how to find a fiduciary if you want to do that, how to do expense and budget planning, Medicare, long-term care fundamentals, tax planning, Affordable Care Act, Roth conversion planning. All these things are free. Super cool. And these are all on common topics, like you see. By the way, I just found out today, New Retirement, the company, actually has 56. I think I'm pretty close there. I may have missed that by a couple. 56 full-time employees. This is not just a software, engineer that created a program on retirement planning. This is a big-time operation that they're constantly updating what the features of this, making sure it's accurate, keeping up with any legal law changes, right? So this is a big business, and they take it seriously, not just giving you a software package, but educating you on how to use it. So I showed some of the courses. I showed you the instructors. You saw the live events that are out there, the canned courses that are there. Just outstanding. Hey, one feature about this, some of you may like, is you can actually change the speed of the recorded events. So if you want to listen to them at 1.25, 1.5, or 2.0 speed, you can do that. Also, there's a skills check at the end. So you listen to the course for 17 minutes, then they ask you 4 questions, see how you did on it. So, hey, very cool. So another thing that I want to talk about here is under coaching. I've talked about this a little bit, but if you want hands-on, one-on-one, somebody to walk you through the planner, you think you got it right, but you really like for somebody to say, am I doing this right? And answer any questions that you may have about your plan. $250. They do charge for this. They're not trying to make money on this. They got some people on standby. This is basically break even for them to do this. That is try to find that somewhere else. A retirement coach through a plan for $250. Try to find that. So now all the classroom and live training, question and answer periods that we saw, that's included in the $120 a year price. And just the software that allows you to do the planning is amazing. I've been using it for pushing 4 years. I think I'm at 4 years. I don't know. It's automatic. I automatically get it renewed each year. So $120. And if you use my link, it's the first one you come to, you get a free 2 weeks. So you can take all this training on your free 2 weeks. So yeah, got nothing to lose. You can look at the software, see if you like it, play around with it. And I believe somewhere, the last I looked, is somewhere around 60% of the people that click on this see the capability of the software package and buy it. And that 99% of the time, they don't even know about all this classroom behind the scenes and the Q&A sessions. And several of you viewers out there said, Joe, you got to do a video on this. This is the best feature of new retirement is the classroom and the Q&A sessions, the live sessions. That's the best feature of new retirement. With these other packages, you're left alone. There's a lot of oversimplification because they don't want people to make errors in their plan. The new retirement plan is pretty complex, okay? It can be a little intimidating to some users. So they're going to walk you right through it, okay, in these training sessions. It's just outstanding. Hit my link for a free 2 weeks. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. So I'm going to stop sharing here and make some final comments. So anyway, new retirement, it is my retirement plan. When you ask me to see my retirement plan, I log in to new retirement. You can see all my moves, all my thinking, years in the future, when I'm planning on taking Social Security, why, any Roth conversions, one-time expenses, my go-go spending, my slow-go spending, every decision of when and where I take money out of, when I move money from an IRA into a brokerage account, what accounts I feed. I need I use buckets. So whenever I want to top off bucket one, I have there's a money flows tab that I take money out each year to top off bucket one. So it is my retirement plan. I wanted to show you today the features with the training that is offered, and it's shocking. It's shocking what they include in the $120. Just show out.